My name is Gilly Gobinet and welcome to my art gallery, which is also my home. I've been a professional artist for about 30 years now, although that wasn't always my profession. When I first arrived in Antigua about 40 years ago, I arrived as a trained biologist. I work mostly in acrylic and watercolor, and the techniques I use are all self-taught, although some are inspired by other artists such as Picasso and his Cubism, which you can see in a number of examples in my gallery. Most of my inspiration comes from the nature that surrounds me. For example, the trees, the flowers, the birds, marine life such as turtles and fish, but also things that catch my eye, like classic yachts or certain houses, etc. Some of the paintings that you'll see in my gallery are these lovely white pelicans, the beautiful watercolor turtles, the colorful cordyline flowers, the drippy hummingbirds, the drippy flowers, and let's not forget the pet portraits, the dogs, which I love, and also some quirky art. Do come and visit me and let me show you around. You can find me on Instagram, on Facebook, and on my website. I look forward to seeing you.